is for above, where the birds fly high. B is for below, where the sea creatures lie. C is for cold, like a winter breeze. D is for dry, like desert trees. E is for empty, with nothing around. F is for full, with treasures found. G is for good, with kindness and care. H is for hot, like summer air. I is for in, a place to stay. J is for jump, hip hip hooray. K is for kind, gentle and sweet. L is for loud, like a marching beat. M is for more, when you want some extra. N is for near, like your best friend next to ya. O is for open, wide and free. P is for push, with energy. Q is for quick, like a racing car. R is for rough, like rocks from afar. S is for slow, like a sleepy snail. T is for tall, like a giant whale. U is for up, up to the sky. V is for vast, where clouds drift by. W is for wet, with splashes so small. X is for extra small, the tiniest of all. Y is for young, learning and bright. Z is for zigzag, dancing left and right.